That's all it does. Nothing exciting. Compared to this one. And then you push up here and the gate opens. Okay, that's just way cooler. And the gates here open, close. This one here is the thing. Look at this. This one here. Boop, comes out. And then you can hook this up here. And then and this is like way cooler. You know, you can even hook, you put that there. And then you can even get the porta potty. You know, it's just like way cooler. And then, like, at least with the airport here, so, I mean, and then it has like and this one there you go. Yeah, I mean, this is the only thing about the airport. It just spins. That's it. That's all this one does. Nothing like all too exciting there. But the construction one is pretty cool. Just would not put this on a high list of priority.
guys, today we have the brand new Matchbox Hospital. It's very, very fun. You will love it, guys. So what we have here is a little ambulance. Oops. And it's very cool. It's red. If you love red, you're gonna love this set. It's full of red. You will love it. And this is this little helicopter. If you get like a little car here, and you get it out, you can connect it. Voila. And you take it and you can throw it down here. And you can open this little thing, this little parking spot. And you can, this little parking. And if you throw the car here, voila, you have it. As well, this can connect with Hot Wheels. Very fun it's gonna be. It has loads of features. You can get it in Amazon, nearly everywhere. And you will love it. It can connect with Matchbox. So let's connect it with it. With the gas station and the airport. So we connect it quickly. Whoa. One. You have to hear a little click. Takes a while.